The US 10-year Treasury note reached a higher high and is steadily climbing to the next target at 111.26. The KMI are strong, but rounding off, a retracement could test 110.27 again. Gold is testing the upper bound of the range at $2,686. The KMI have turned up, but we don't quite have a divergence. The next targets above and below the range between $2,643 and $2,686 are $2,713 and $2,603 respectively. The S&P 500 is facing resistance at 6,100, confirmed by red triangles on the KRI. The KMI have dropped and it will take a burst of momentum to break through this resistance. The next target is at 6,133. If we retrace, watch the vacuum zone to 6,033. Oil dug further into the 60s, but rebounded above our level at $66.77. We broke through the next target above at $67.91. The KMI have not moved much, but if momentum can keep up, $68.96 is the next target. A pullback could retrace the entire move back to $66.77. The DXY is facing resistance at 106.13, confirmed by a red triangle on the KRI. We seem to be forming a very narrow range between 105.78 and 106.13. The next targets above and below are 107.20 and 105.25 respectively. Bitcoin rejected $100,000 and is finding support at $97.07K. Green triangles on the KRI suggest strong support at $97.07K, but watch the vacuum zone to $92.09K. A pivot to test $100,000 is likely. Ethereum retraced to $3,861, where we are likely to see support. Expect a pivot higher, potentially to $4,020 again. If $3,861 fails, then $3,765 is the next support level below. Litecoin retraced sharply, but is finding support at $120. A retracement was to be expected, and we are still bullish and expect a pivot that could test $124.95. Watch the vacuum zone below to $114.30.